Hi everyone. Today we have Alexander Brunet-Crooks, who's a physiotherapist, and he's going to come and talk to us about all there is to know about physiotherapy. So, Alexander, what is it that physiotherapists actually do?
So, physiotherapists in Canada usually work with clients of all ages and with a wide range of health conditions, whether it's pain management and rehab from an acute injury, such as a sprained ankle, or it's a management of a chronic disease, condition such as diabetes or heart disease. Physiotherapy can help.
That's good to know. Do you know what are some pros and cons of being a physiotherapist?
Absolutely. So the pros of being a physiotherapist is that you can help athletes and others recover from joint and muscle pains. Also, as these problems can cause recurring injuries and difficulties, helping people can bring back to their old self is definitely a pro. Also, job security, there's always incidences and accidents and injuries that can happen. Therefore, I'm always there for them. There's also good pay with great benefits. There's lots of different career paths and specializations. For example, you could be physiotherapist for only older people, or you can also be a physiotherapist for athletes. There's also there's a great variety of work environment, so you can work in hospitals, clinics, and or fitness centers, gyms, and schools. There's also a great life-work balance, lots of teamwork, and a great job satisfaction of knowing you are helping other people. So for the cause that you were saying, the hours are very demanding as to help everyone. You may have to keep your practice open much longer. There's also the education requirement, maybe seen as a cause or con. Sometimes we work in with difficult patients who are consistently in pain or are always in pain, and this can really take a toll on the physiotherapist.
Okay. What do you have to do in order to be considered for a position to be a physiotherapist?
So to become a physiotherapist in Ontario, you're required to have a bachelor's degree in health science and must earn a master's degree in physiotherapy. Once that is achieved, you need to register with the College of Physiotherapists of Ontario, which requires an exam and a yearly continued education.
Okay. What are some of the options within Canada so that you can start your path onto this career?
So depending on your comfort level, you can start by going to college in physiotherapist assistant to see if you really enjoy this job. After which, if you enjoy it, you can attend Ottawa University in health science. Once you have your master's degree, as I said before, you could get registered with the province. You can then start to look for other jobs in the same vicinity, whether with currently established clinics or sport centers. You can always start your own practice.
Okay. So, what are additional information do you have? For example, some maybe how much do they make per year? What's their salaries? And what other perks do you know?
So the salary of a physiotherapist can vary greatly depending on the location of their work. So, for example, if you're working from hospital or if they're working from home, the city which they work, and how many years of practice they have. So, on average, therapists can make between $75,000 to $100,000 a year. So it's between $50 to $85 an hour, but these vary. It's a big variety. It could be even lower to that. Some people do that. Some of the perks, so the benefits are dental and health that are provided with some of the employers. There's also work-life benefit, as you can pick your own hours depending on where you work, and choosing to be on a team or working alone, and obviously depending on your preference.
Okay. And why is this career important?
So it empowers people to be independent, contribute to society, and give back to full occupation or employment. Physiotherapy therapists reflect people's personal preference and goals, delivering better outcomes for individuals and their careers.
That's great. Thank you so much, Alexander, for this great information. And everyone, should you like this podcast today, make sure to click like below and follow us for more.